Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about push notification in Flutter using Firebase for. Let's begin. Uh, Before starting, I request you please click on the ads when you go to this my blog. It will be your contribution will help me a lot. I will show you first Firebase exam demo. Okay, so I'm sharing a screen. I will show you a live example of the push notification. So this is a Firebase console. Okay, and this is my mobile. Okay, so whenever I uh, Flutter example and push notification. Okay, so I'm sending select token. You will get I will uh, show you how we will get this token. Okay, so don't worry. So I have tested, so I have get it your notification. You can see Flutter example push notification. Okay, so when I click on this, it will move to the another page for, and it also pass the title and text uh, here. Okay, we will also see another example. For example, test I am writing, including adding new text here. So i I got another notification. Okay, when I click here, it will go to the app and it will show the title and the body. So we will see in this video we will see how we will get a push notification, how to implement push notification, and in the next video we will see that how to pass this notification title and body to the another page when user click on the notification. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you have to create a account for Firebase. Okay, so this is the this is another video. I have explained all the thing in all the thing
Once everything's
how to create
perfectly organized,
Firebase account, and how to open, and all the detail of Firebase I have created in this video. So please go through this video and set up your Firebase account, then come to this blog. Okay, so I in this blog I also explain all the things through the images. First go to the console Firebase, it will look like this. Okay, and then when you create a project, okay, you will have an add app option where you can add an app for iOS and Android project. So this package's name should be same as your uh, Flutter project. Okay, as you are giving. So for Android project name, uh, Android package name, you will go to the Android, then in app, then it will go build.gradle. You will get this namespace. Just copy this. Okay, and paste your Android package name. Okay, and pass a nickname, and then after you can download the config file. Okay, means google.services.json file, and add this json file in Android folder. Okay, so this is Android in app folder. Sorry, my mistake. Download this google services.json file and add in Android app in src folder. Okay, then after that I have explained this here. Now, first you have to add all the dependencies in Android build.gradle. So in Android build.gradle, you have to add dependency class path. Okay, you should add dependency class path. Okay, so you can add this one. Okay, uh, and this is not necessary, but this is already exist here. Okay, so you have to add only this one. Okay, so it is already exist in the when you build create a new project. If it is not available, then ignore. Then after that in Android app build gradle. Okay, so in there are two build gradle. One is in the outside of app and one is inside the app folder. So this is build.gradle app where you have to add plugins and dependency. Okay, so first of all you will add here plugins. Okay, then dependency. Okay, if you don't have this dependency, create a dependencies. Then after that you have to install a dependencies. Okay, so you can open a terminal. Okay, this is terminal. Open a terminal, copy this first uh, dependency and enter. It will install the this dependency, and the same for this. Okay, or else you can copy all these. Okay, all three lines, copy and paste here. Okay, and click enter. It will install both both nugget. Okay, after that we will see how to implement push notification logic. Okay, so first of all create a, API file. Okay, Firebase underscore API dot inside the lib folder. So in the lib folder, I have created a API folder where I have a Firebase underscore API. Okay, so in this uh, get this code and add. Okay, so first of all it is handle first this is for getting a token. Okay, this is just for token. We will see all this uh, code in next video. This is for when user click on the push notification. Okay, so just you have to use this one. Okay, to initialize the push notification and to get the token. Okay, so this is return print token. Whenever you run this project, you will find a token in the log. Okay, after that in the main file. Okay, main file you have to pass the logic here in the main method. Okay, first of all, initialize this Flutter binding. Then for Android, initialize app. In the Firebase method, you have to pass all the informations. Okay, this API key, app ID, sender ID, and project ID you will all get from the Firebase account. Okay, or else uh, you will get this from the here, what we call in Google service JSON. I hope, yeah, this is project ID. Okay, message sender ID, this is API key here you will get. Okay, and app ID, I think app I- 1 second. Okay, so this is app ID. Okay, and project ID. Okay, project ID will be this one. Okay, so in this way you can create you can get all the IDs from the Google JSON. Okay, then after that initialize the Firebase API. Okay, when you and the when you run the app, so I'm running this app. Okay, I will show you how you will get a token. It will take some time to uh, run this video. So if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe my channel and please share this video, which will be useful for them. Okay, so you can search here in console. Here is a run tab. Go to run tab, control F, and token. Okay, you will copy this token. Okay, go to Firebase and repeat the process as I shown in the uh, starting of the video. Okay, and in this way you can mm, implement push notification in Flutter. And if you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section. And if you any doubts, please uh, go through the my blog, and I have explained each and everything here. If still you have any doubt, then please comment me in the comment section. I will surely reply. Till then, bye bye. I will create a new video for when user click on the notification. Okay, bye.